Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 10 of exercise 7.2 of chapter 7 congruence of triangle of class 7. So here in question number 10, see what they are asking here. Explain why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED here. Mean to say here that criteria, that which one they have used to make them congruent and why they are congruent, that we have to prove that. So let's start now. As what is given to us, that in this triangle ABC and DEF, it is given that this one symbol shows that angle A and angle F both are equal, then angle B and angle E both are equal as both are of 90 degree, and here this one symbol shows that DC and DE both are equal. Then what happened, that we have to prove that they are congruent. Then which one criteria we are having, as we are having SSS criterion or side angle side or angle side angle or RHS, and we know that here according to these two diagrams H is not equal in both the triangles, so we can't take this one. Another one is here side side side, again we know that this one side is also, we don't know that they are equal or not, so we can't take this one also, so again this one is also cancelled. So what will take SAS? According to this, what I want two equal sides, but we are having only one, so again we can't take. So what we are having now, we are having ASA. It means to say here the side is included between both the angles, but here you can see here side is here and the angles are here. So what we'll do here, as we know that in triangle we can find out the third angle, that when we are having two angles which are given to us and we can find out the third angle. So what we'll do here, we will use a angle sum property and we'll find out the third angle in both the triangles. So what we'll do here, after that we will use here by angle side angle property till the triangles are congruent here. Fine. So how to start? See, by angle sum property of a triangle, we know that in triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus angle C all are equals to 180, and here in triangle FED, again angle F plus angle E plus angle D is equals to 180, because their sum is equals to 180, and we'll also name this as them as 1 and this one 2 and here 3 and 4. So what we'll do here now on comparing, what we see, this both 3 and 4, on comparing both 3 and 4, these the right hand side is already equal, then left will be equal. So what we'll do here, we'll compare both, and they will compare this angle A plus B plus C is equals to angle F plus E plus D here. Fine. After writing, as we know that A is equals to already F, this angle A is equals to F and B is equals to E. So what we'll do, we will substitute their values here. So we write here angle F as angle A and angle E as angle B here. Right here also from 1 and 2. Now again I have written the next step and we cancel AA then BB here. After cancelling, we got here, according to this we got a angle C is equals to angle D here. Fine. So now as we have find out that angle C is also equals to angle D here, mean this one angle is equals to this one angle. So what we'll do here, now again we'll take these two triangles and we'll make them congruent. See how, as we know that angle B is equals to angle E, because both are given as 90 degree, and here next we have used here BC is equals to here ED, because it is given that both the sides are equal of both the triangles, and here this one we have proved above already that these two angles are equal. So by angle side angle here these two triangles are congruent. Mean to say here triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. So in this way you can simplify the question number 10.